G'day, James. Welcome to Titan Talk for June. Firstly, how was the Brisbane show?
Brisbane show was great. We had 12 vans on display, blessed with some really fantastic weather. So it was really nice to be able to display some of the brand new vans in the Queensland market. So we had the Sapphire, we had the Edge as well too. So we released those down at Sydney, received really well. And we were really looking forward to showing them off in Brisbane as well. It was a good show. A lot of numbers through. We had a really nice spot. We were sort of protected up near the Cattleman's Bar, which was a really nice historic spot at the RNA. So it was great. It was good to see a lot of existing owners. We actually had quite a few current Titan owners that had seen the Sapphire and seen the Edge online through some of our videos and seen that they were released down in Sydney and took advantage and upgraded. So they've traded in some current model Titans, a lot of new owners as well, a lot of interest moving forward. So our process at the show is not so much like a lot of other brands where it's very rush and you need to buy on the spot or anything like that. We like to use it as an opportunity to display new products and take down the information of what people are after. Being local as well too, a lot of appointments after that show, people will come up to the factory, which they've done, and take advantage of some factory tours and end up purchasing vans whenever they're at that decision-making stage. So overall, fantastic event. Caravan in Queensland always put on some great shows. We're looking forward to Nambour of their show later on in the year, and the release of their Ipswich event as well too. So we'll actually have some more information on that through our socials in the coming months. So yeah, really exciting. I believe that's a camping expo as well too. So there'll be an opportunity for Titan owners and other caravanners to actually stay at the venue. So it's more of a caravan jamboree style operation. So yeah, something new that they've done and exciting. We're looking forward to it.
And how's everything going in the Titan production space?
Yeah, so we did have a bit of a bottleneck over the last couple of months. A lot of customer vans sold in the middle towards the end of last year. We're sort of arriving at once. We have increased staff, so we've put on a few more staff in the factory, streamline that process a little bit more. So we are catching up or have caught up with a bit of a backlog that we've had. We really appreciate the support of some of our customers that have had some slight delays in their deliveries, but one thing that we can guarantee is everyone that has left the doors left with a smile on their face. So the vans are definitely worth the wait. And we're working individually with people over that period too. But now that we've been able to increase some staff and found some really good local team members, we're able to streamline and get things out the door a bit quicker. Obviously, quality and quality control probably is the main key for us. It's all well to produce the products, but people are paying really good money for these vans, and as their pride and joy, a non-negotiable for us is making sure that they are 100% when they leave. So being able to achieve that in a timely fashion now is a really good position to be in.
And there's some exciting news in terms of expansion.
Yeah, so we are in the process of establishing a new dealer in New South Wales. So that'll be released probably towards the end of the year. We're in talks with a couple of parties down there and a couple of facilities that we've looked at and just sort of fine tuning to get everything aligned. We have taken on board a distributor in Western Australia, which is really exciting. So that will be announced in the coming months as well too. We've had the Titan product over there in the years, and just finding the right dealership and the right sort of fit for our products, which we were approached by a family over there, and looking forward to building a relationship and extending that reach over to the West Coast.
And you've also got some more exciting announcements in terms of the next generation of Titans.
Yeah, so the Generation 5 model of Titan, which is probably more going to be outside of our core range. Gen 5 will be above and beyond all of the updates so far that we've had in 2026. So there are some really new exciting products and innovations that we've sort of been working with our design team and the manufacturing team as well to really incorporate an ultra luxury and a true off-road van, which it's been said before, done before, and a lot of places will throw those words around: off-grid, off-road, off-grid, luxury. But we want to go one step beyond a standard caravan and just bolting accessories to it. From the core of the product, we really want to produce something that is purpose-built and turnkey for someone that is really looking for that next level. One thing that we can do, being a factory direct operation and taking the feedback on board from customers that may be shopping in that top end of town, is exactly what they're after. They're desiring 48 volt systems, different composting toilet setups, additional water storage, water filtration, power regeneration, all of these important features, which, like I said, have been done before, but to convert that into something that can be very easily operated and used. We're really going to have something that is complete top of the range and outdo what's available on the market as well too. Luxury finishes, we're not sourcing our internal textiles from traditional caravan suppliers. We've gone outside of the mold and looked internationally for some suppliers that are able to provide us with things that haven't been seen before in caravans. So some really new, exciting, ultra luxury finishes, which will tie in with the style of the van. Suspension wise, the easy option was to go with the ATX suspension. So Cruisemasters ATX with their body control module, along with their disc brake package. We're going to a 17-inch wheel package now as well too. Premium tyres, so foundations of the van are going to be second to none. The chassis is still bulletproof. It's our hot dip galvanised chassis as well. Full composite construction, which we've proven for over 10 years and 3,000 vans. The interior fit out is going to be something that you haven't seen before. So packaging all of those key features together with the goal of bringing that to the market at a reasonable price point. You're not going to be paying outrageous money for these. They are going to be more expensive as they are a premium line over our luxury premium range as it is, but it's going to be presented as a really, really cost-effective option for those that are looking for a full top-of-the-range van and are looking in that top end of town.
And you've had a change of plans with a show cancellation this weekend.
Unfortunately, it has. Coffs Harbour show was meant to be this weekend. Look, we're very disappointed that it isn't able to go ahead, but look, we're lucky that the organisers have made that call. It is a big call to make. It's a big show, and a lot of really fantastic brands and suppliers have always exhibited there. So look, that has unfortunately been cancelled due to rain. As you can see here in the dealership, we are fully stocked. We have got our batch of show vans that are here in Brisbane just before they're about to head down. We got the news. So look, for the next 2 weeks, we are positioned here. All of the latest stock is in the dealership. So people are able to come to us here directly as well as have a factory tour. So look, we're trying to see the silver lining in that as well. Another benefit is with the large amount of vans that we have delivered, we've got a lot of brand new trade-ins. So we've got some really, really good quality late model second-hand stock from couples vans. We've got some off-road campers. We've got family vans. We've got hybrids. So they all go through our pre-delivery inspection, make sure that they are 100% serviced, roadworthy, gas certificated, and detailed as well too. So there's some really great bargains out there that for people that might not be shopping for that new product. So look, allows us to focus on the core business here within the dealership, as well as delivering vans over the next 2 weeks. We've got a hell of a lot of vans to get out the door. So yeah, look, we might not be at the show, but looking forward to spending some time in the yard and looking after our local customers here.
But you've got some more dates coming up next month.
Yeah, that's correct. So after the next 2 weeks, we'll be heading south. So we'll be doing the show down in Tamworth, which has always been fantastic. Always love going down there. We've got quite a few owners in Tamworth and a lot of people that have already inquired that are looking forward to seeing the new product. After that, we go to the industry show, which is Illawarra. Massive event down there, and they always put on such a fantastic function. We've got a great site there. We'll have between 10 to 15 caravans, depending if we have some new ones available for that. But yeah, we will have the complete range with our design team as well too on site. So if there are some changes or some questions that people have got regarding orders or ideas that they might have for their new van, it's really handy that we have that design team on site. And they're able to discuss and walk through all of those options. As well, anyone is more than welcome to come in and have a discussion about Gen 5 vans. You're not going to be seeing those until probably the end of this year, if not early 2027. We are working really hard to make sure that this is a real standout product. We're not just putting lipstick on the vans that we've got here and dressing them up. It is a brand new concept that we have taken 10 years to sort of come up with, and over that time we've really left no stone unturned, if you know what I mean. It is going to be something really special, and we can't wait to release it.
And there's some great promotions happening in the yard at the moment.
Absolutely. So as we sort of finish the end of one show cycle, we keep some of our vans as display and demonstrators for that period. So once they reach the end of that cycle, there are some great vans here that have got some awesome savings on them. So we've got a couple of bunk vans, we've got some single axle touring vans. We do have one 595 available as a demonstrator, which is very, very rare. That's one of our best sellers. We do not have those available discounted any time. So I dare say that one, by the time this video goes out, that may be snapped up already. But look, this weekend, doors are open. All next week, we're here. All of us are on site. And look, we're here to do some business and show people what we've got. But yeah, you're right. If you want something right now, there are some stock vans available and limited, but definitely happy to work out a deal for you.
Sounds great. Look forward to catching up with you next month.